Alright, so 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. And we are here again, but in new schedule, of course. It's Wednesday evening at 7 p.m. We have a very interesting program here in Smart FM Makassar, namely Smart Up Your Life English Discussion with English Communities. Okay, so smart viewers and also smart listeners at home, of course, I'm here as a host. I'm Noph Mufli. And yeah, absolutely. I'm not alone here because we already have friends here that coming from various kind of English communities in Makassar. Hello, guys. Okay. Yeah. Before we are start our discussion for this evening, maybe we can keep in touch and we can let them introduce themselves one by one. So we maybe start from you. Okay. Take the mic, please, and maybe you can introduce yourself and tell us a bit about your community. Okay?
Okay. So let me say it's an honor to be here now. My name is Muhammad Alul Zaki. My classmates always call me Zaki.
Okay. Hello, Zaki.
Hello.
Yeah.
I'm a part of student of English Educational Department in Alauddin Makassar,
Wow.
or in shortly you could call it SID.
Sit.
Our program is to expand the students' education language, especially in English. And
Okay.
our program is to increase student knowledge in speaking, writing,
Yeah.
and debate skill.
Oh, debate skill. So amazing, right?
Yes.
And so, how about if we, smart listeners at home, want to join your community? Maybe you can give your Instagram. What about the Instagram account of SEED?
Okay, first I want to say it's not free for the external members.
Oh.
It's
Yeah.
exclusive just for students
Oh,
of
yeah.
Alauddin Makassar.
Okay.
But if you have more interested to learn more about SID, you can
Mhm.
mention our Instagram at pbi at prodi.pbi.winam.
Okay, thank you, Zaki. And yeah, we move to the most beautiful here. Okay.
Okay, thank you. So, my name is Aliana Mutia.
Mhm.
I'm from English Youth Community.
Okay.
So, in our community, we're not only focused about a learning program, but we also focus on teaching program.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, and we have several programs. First is free meeting. So free meeting, it's open for anyone who wants to learn English. And then the second one is intensive meeting. It only open for agents only, the member
Okay,
only
the member.
of English Youth
Mhm.
Community.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
then Kampung Binaan. So there's a village that specifically English Youth Community teach the children, the children to learn English because they don't have an access to learn English in their school.
Oh, so
Yes.
I mean, like you practice your teaching skill
Yes.
in
and
Kampung Binaan.
Yes.
Mhm.
We also teach in some schools in Makassar or in Goa.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, thank you, Alia. And we move to my left side. Yeah, welcome back in our home.
Thank you
Okay,
for
so
having
introduce
me.
yourself.
Yeah. So hi, my name is Andy or Ikram, and I'm representing Bicara community today. So
Okay.
it's like a community where we actually have like multiple classes. So we are offering different language classes such as like Korean, English, and Japanese and other
Korean.
foreign languages.
Wow.
So yeah, and like this week we have like an event.
Mhm.
So it's like a sharing session for like we are going to share about like LPDP scholarship. So
Oh,
it's
LPDP
open for
scholarship.
public and it's totally free for those who
Wow,
are
that's
interested.
great.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can speak in another language except English, like
Yeah, I
Korean.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, that's great. We talk about it later.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
So yeah, because our guest, our speaker already introduced themselves for this evening. Yeah. So maybe we can start our discussion. And today's topic is all about YOLO. You only live once. Okay. And yeah, maybe it sounds familiar for us, right? because yeah, we only live once, and because we already know about the meaning, YOLO, you only live once. So what's next? You know, how we can accept our life. You know, how we gonna do in our next life. You know, and yeah, you only live once, and because we know about we are live in once in a lifetime, you know, whatever happens, it happens, right? And yeah, I think you don't know what's your next life gonna do, what's your next life going to be. And yeah, maybe my first question about the topic for this evening, uh what is your first impression? I mean, what makes you interest to join with us in here and discuss about the topic YOLO, you only live once, in this discussion. Okay, so maybe we start from Ikram. Okay.
Oh,
Mhm.
so what motivated me to come and talk about
Yeah,
this
yeah.
topic? I'm not very sure, but I feel like YOLO, as we all know, it stands for like you only live once.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
like by this, it kind of motivates me to do a lot of things in life actually.
Mhm.
For example, like this year, I've tried a lot of things for the very first time just
Yeah,
because
yeah,
I'm not gonna have another chance like to live my life after I die.
yeah.
Right?
Yeah, yeah.
So I just like give it like to the fullest. So for example, like this year I started learning how to swim, and I didn't
Oh,
know how
yeah,
to
yeah.
swim at all. And like
Really?
yeah, and I was like really struggling. And
Mhm.
also I learned how to do skateboarding. Yeah,
Skateboarding, yeah.
it was also hard,
Uh-huh.
but
But it seems like it's very fun
yeah,
to
it's
do.
fun. I
Mhm.
love doing those things, but you know, like I didn't really know how to play or do that
Mhm.
activity.
So you
Yeah.
learn from the first step.
Yeah, but I'm very I don't know, like maybe blessed just because I
Mhm.
have like some friends who can actually teach me for free.
Mhm. Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, so maybe I would say it's like I don't, advantages for me.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah. Uh-huh. So
You feel free to learn about skateboard because
yeah.
your friend is
Uh-huh.
expert.
Yeah, yeah, they are very good at that.
Mhm.
So yeah, I'm happy to have a friend who actually can contribute to something in my life, right?
So you I mean, you interest to do something new.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Mhm.
yeah. So because like by this terminology
Mhm.
too, like every year I always try to learn something new.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
I can
That's
expect maybe
great.
some things, but I'm not very sure yet. Like what's
Mhm.
gonna happen next year, but I believe it's gonna be something new again. So
Mhm.
yeah.
So you think like you want to export it or
Not really. Maybe
no?
not really become
Yeah.
not really to become like an expert
Mhm.
as long as I have the basic,
Oh,
you know,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
because I don't know like what kind of job that I would get in the future too.
Mhm.
So by trying a lot of things, maybe it kind of give me like some insights
Yeah,
of what
like
kind of
experience.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Mhm.
yeah. So for example, if I maybe in the future I can be really very good at swimming, I can be
Oh,
like a swimmer. I don't
yeah,
know.
athlete.
Maybe. Let's see.
Yeah, let's see in our future. Okay, thank you, Kak Ikram. We move to the next speaker. Maybe Zaki want to share your opinion about what is your first impression to hear about YOLO at first time. Mhm.
Okay. So YOLO often sounded as your only life once.
Mhm. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I think this topic is really interesting because if we remember, we are a youth generation, so we have a big responsibility on
Yeah,
our shoulder, right?
that's true.
We hold this country's future on our shoulder.
Yeah.
So
We have a big responsibility,
yes.
right? Okay. Yeah, and then.
So I think this topic is so related for me as a youth generation.
Yeah, generation.
I just wanted to say that people are always afraid to try something new, right?
Yeah, as Kak Ikram said before, yeah, they want to try something new. At least in 1 year, they have to know one new experience.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
and then.
It's all because they're
Mhm.
still feeling maybe some afraid
Yeah.
in themselves to try something new. What if they are afraid if they will be fail?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
So I
you
mean
mean like we have to build our courage, right?
yes.
Mm-hmm.
So So it's all about enjoying this moment of your enjoying every moment in your life
Yeah, yeah.
with embracing the moment of your life by joy, happiness, and growth.
Mm-hmm.
Expand some skills and enjoy with doing what you love.
Yeah, 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 yeah. That's true. That's true. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So keep your statement, and we move to Alia about what is your what makes you interest to talk about YOLO with us.
Okay, so when I saw the topic at
Mhm.
first, I think it's so interesting because mostly Gen Z like
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah.
us,
Young generation,
uh,
youngsters.
mostly know about YOLO. You only live
Mhm.
once, and I think YOLO it's not about you just take random risk, decide random risk on your life, but it's about you're bold enough to try new things, to go out of your comfort zone.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
For example, like when I was included in my leadership community,
Mm-hmm.
I think at first, I think it's a huge responsibility, and I think I'm not good enough to be a part of the community leadership.
But you take the risk.
Yes, and yeah, I thought YOLO, you only live once,
Mm-mm.
and I think it's a chance for me to learn more, to meet an amazing people because of this. So yeah, I think that's it.
Yeah, it means like you build your confidence.
Yes,
Mhm.
and
In the community,
yes,
right? And then
I think yeah, we're bold enough to try new things because of that.
okay, so yeah, it's very interesting to discuss about YOL itself because we can make ourselves be confident, be more
Yeah.
confident, and become a more courage, build our courage, and yeah, absolutely to make a new experience, like Ka Ikram said before. And yeah, my next question is about how do you spend or you waste your time in your daily life because you know we only live once and are you just having fun or maybe you waste your time gathering with your family or something like that or what else, right? Okay, maybe Alia want to answer my question.
Okay, so as an ordinary human,
Mhm.
sometimes like we we enjoy our time over because like watching movies
Mhm.
or scrolling TikTok.
Also, you love watching movie.
Yes.
What genre of the movie you like the most?
Science fiction maybe.
Wow, Skyfi. Okay, okay,
Yes.
and
And I think my time is wasting mostly because of watching movies and scrolling social media. But-
especially TikTok, right?
Yes.
I know
Um,
because you are women.
um,
Okay, and then
I mean, yeah, I know about you only live once,
Mhm.
but sometimes we forget, and yeah, sometimes we just wasting our times to enjoy like scrolling social media
Yeah,
and
yeah.
something.
there's waste a lot of time
Yes.
scrolling social media. Sometimes you forget, right?
And half of my time waste because of that.
Wow, so interesting. Okay, so keep your statement and we move to Kaikram. What is your opinion about it?
So same question. So usually I spend a lot of my time on things that maybe some of them are quite beneficial, but
Mhm.
some are not really.
Yeah, yeah.
When I have time and when my other friends have time, we usually go to the gym together.
Wow,
Even though you
Jim.
cannot really see from
You
my
have, like-
physical appearance, but
You have like a schedule in
yeah,
gym?
usually every Saturday
Oh,
with my
Saturday,
friends.
yeah.
But sometimes if we have time, we usually go to the gym like twice,
Mhm.
like on Saturday or on Tuesday.
Like twice in a week, right?
Yeah, but mostly just once on Saturday.
Yeah, yeah.
And other than that,
And
I think
then-
just seem like Like I watch a lot of like TikTok videos too,
Mm-hmm.
because I feel like if I don't really open TikTok, I don't know if you guys can relate. If we don't really open TikTok, sometimes we miss some information, like
Yeah.
what is happening in the world,
And
right?
nowadays you know like streak of TikTok like
Yeah.
the fire.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's true. And also about, I don't know, do you guys know what PDD is? Like
Yeah.
like the
Oh, yeah,
and
it's
also,
viral right
yeah,
now.
yeah, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I like those things. I feel like
Mhm.
it's, we can easily be
Yeah.
informed through like social
Mhm.
medias like
Beside
TikTok.
TikTok, we also open like X, Twitter.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I usually open X too, but I like TikTok more. I just, I don't know, like like on X, like a lot of debate. Like sometimes people are fighting each other.
Yeah,
Right?
in the comments.
Yeah. But in TikTok, usually when we watch like the video and then we open like the comment sections, like
Mhm.
they're all very funny.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
don't know,
yeah.
like
That's
I
true.
laugh all the time every time I open like the comment sections on TikTok. So
Okay,
that's why I
yeah,
love
yeah.
TikTok.
Yeah, I agree with you. Okay, so yeah, keep your statement and we move to Kak Zaki. Okay, take the mic, please. What makes you? How do you feel like I waste my time in this and this? Okay, so what wasting your time the most in your everyday life?
So it's about my habit when I
Mhm.
have nothing to do.
Yeah.
Okay. Beside do my obligation as a Muslim.
Okay.
Sometimes in my free, I love watching some animes.
Wow, watching animes. Okay,
Being
I love to. Mm-hmm.
it's
And
more better
then?
than being a couch potato, right?
Yeah. Okay, yeah, I agree with you. And then, what anime you like to watch?
I love maybe some action genres,
Mhm.
schools, slice of
Oh,
life.
schools live. Right now I watch Doctor Stone. Doctor Stone.
Oh, you watch
Wow,
it?
yeah, I watch Doctor Stone. Tatena Yusa and yeah, anything.
Again,
And then,
I'm not the only one whips here.
wow, you have friends. Alia too.
Okay, that's a really.
Okay. So yeah, beside watching anime, what else? Maybe
What else?
maybe you have a community, you have a lot of friends, and do something like Ikram said before. They came to the gym, and yeah, maybe you have another activities.
Another activities. Okay, it's just
Mhm.
like scrolling Facebook. I
Wow,
love reading
Facebook.
the comment because the comment is more funnier than the photo.
Wow, yeah, because because in the Facebook there's a lot of meme, right?
Yes.
Meme in Facebook. You don't know, so you don't relate about it. Okay.
I never spend
Mhm.
my free time outside, so I
Oh,
rarely
yeah,
touch
yeah.
some good touch a good any grass.
Oh, so you're kind of like introvert, right? Introvert.
Not really introvert because I used to
Just
be
so. Mhm.
I used to be working at some company
Wow.
before I start my way as a
Mhm.
student, as you can see now.
Yeah.
So now as a student, when I was free, besides watching anime and scrolling Facebook, as I mentioned before,
Mhm.
I usually practice my English, right? Advance my grammar, add more vocabularies to my
Mhm.
memories, so I could be the better speaker in the future. Yes,
Yeah.
maybe just like that.
Hopefully you can get what's your dream. Okay.
Okay, thanks for your support.
Okay. So yeah, I think like it's very good if we can waste our time in by doing positive things like what are you guys said before, going to the gym and watching movie and also watching anime. It means like we can learn Japanese language in because watch anime, right? Okay. Yeah, and absolutely we like scoring social media like we mentioned before, Facebook, maybe Twitter or X, we know nowadays, and absolutely Instagram and also TikTok. Okay, and yeah, uh, because like something, the feeling of regret, the feeling of blame is because like we didn't do the right things in a chance. Why we didn't do the right things? Because we don't know where we will going. Okay, so my question is, what is your opinion? I mean, like, what is the purpose of life? What is the pure goal of life in your opinion? Okay, do you understand what I mean? I mean, like, what is your purpose? What is your goal? I mean, like, do you have some achievement that you have to achieve? And yeah, what else? Yeah, maybe Kak Ikram. Yeah, okay.
For me personally, I feel like this one is a pretty hard question because honestly, so even until now, I'm still not very sure about what I want to
About the
achieve in the
future.
future. So that's why, as I mentioned earlier, like I really want to try a lot of things and then see
Yeah,
like
yeah,
what
yeah.
kind of things that I really want to do long term in the future, like consistently. Because like I don't know, like I tried a lot of things before, but I
Mhm.
kind of gave up just because I feel like oh, like
Mm.
those things were not really my passion.
Oh yeah,
So
yeah.
I
So
wasn't
you
really
don't
patient.
get your passion until now.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So right now, like I'm still a student as well. Like I'm still studying in a university, but yeah, I'm still not very sure. Even like what kind of like career prospect that I would
Oh
like
yeah,
to
yeah,
try in the
yeah. I
future.
understand.
But right now, I'm just like really, I just really go with the flow.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah, you mean like yeah, just enjoy our
yeah, YOLO.
life,
Yeah, you
YOLO.
only live
Mm-hmm.
once. Yeah, but maybe as a Muslim too,
Mm-hmm.
like at least like I want to try to pray consistently, like every day to kind of praise God about all
Mm-hmm.
of the blessings that I have received so far,
Mm-hmm.
because like through His blessings, like we all guys can come here and
Yeah,
then we
yeah,
talk
yeah.
together and have
Mm-hmm.
some discussions. So
Yeah,
yeah.
that's one of the blessing that
Uh-huh.
given
Yeah.
to us, right?
Yeah. But
Mm-hmm.
professionally, as a career, I'm still not very sure. Like even I don't really have any hobbies yet. Yeah.
Wow.
So
Because you don't know about your passion,
yeah. But
what you like the
since
most,
uh-huh,
and yeah.
since I'm majoring right now in like some like language related
Mhm.
major, so I'm focusing on teaching so far. So
Oh.
most likely maybe I can be like a teacher in the future.
Mhm.
So
Yeah, yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
that's something that I can see so far.
That's the most relatable with your major right
Yeah.
now. Become a teacher.
Yeah. I love
Uh,
teaching,
Yo,
but maybe
okay, so
not really
you,
my passion.
but yeah,
But
you love teaching. At
yeah.
least you love. At least you love, and you can share your knowledge
That's
to
right.
the students, right?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe me too. I want to become a teacher, but in another knowledge. It means like because I'm majoring in English department too, but
Mhm.
I mean, I think I want to share my knowledge about how to say how we can read the Quran. It means
Oh
like that.
wow.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I want to share my knowledge about it.
That's great.
Yeah, yeah,
Good
yeah.
for you.
Hopefully, I can be the good teacher
Yeah.
for my student.
I believe so.
Okay, okay. Thank you,
Yeah.
Kram. We move to the next speaker. Maybe Alia. Yeah. I mean, uh, what is your purpose? What is your goal in your life? Do you have any achievement that you want to achieve? Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I think this question have a lot of answer because
Yeah,
there are
it's meaningful.
a lot of perspectives,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and people can like have different perspective about this question.
Okay.
But as a Muslim, and also my teacher said that the purpose of this life is to worship Allah,
Mm-hmm.
and I think in the future I want to be a lecturer because
Wow.
it relate to my major
Mhm.
itself, and I love to teach. I love to teach people.
Yeah, same
I love
with
to
Kak Ikram.
yes
Me
share
too.
my knowledge. But yeah, we have to study
Mhm.
hard
Yeah,
to
yeah.
achieve that profession because it's not an easy things to do.
Mhm. Yeah, yeah.
And I think in the future also because you only live once, I would like to do solo traveling.
Wow, that's great. Solo
Because
traveling.
yeah, it's a bit intimidating, but
Mm-hmm.
I think
You think it's hard?
yeah,
Uh-huh.
it's pretty hard because imagine that you travel without someone by your side. But I think I would be so excited because
Mhm.
we met a new people, new culture,
Yeah, 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 yeah.
and we can gain a lot of new experience because of that.
Yeah.
I think
So we can make do a traveling,
Yeah.
do a traveling or trio traveling.
yeah.
Okay, so you want like your dreams like solo traveling, right?
Yes.
Where do you want to go? I mean, like local or
Local and international.
wow?
Maybe because I saw a lot of
Mhm.
people's Instagram and their highlights is like Sweden, US,
Yeah.
USA, UK, and
And you feel jealous?
no, not
No,
jealous,
no,
but
okay.
it motivates me to
Oh yeah, yeah,
learn
that's true.
more, to learn English more, because it can make your Instagram's feed and highlights
Yeah, yeah,
more
yeah.
aesthetic.
Aesthetic.
Because you travel a lot to a lot of country.
Okay, so yeah, I think like that's my dream too. I mean like I want to see aurora.
Yes.
Aurora, Aurora. I want to see Aurora in real life, not in the photos in Instagram or yeah, in the social media. I feel like wow, it's so amazing. I mean like I have to. So the person or the people achievement is also can motivate us to become spirit in our life, and we can make our life enjoy,
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you, Kalia, and we move to Kasaki. What is your opinion about the purpose of life? What is your goal? What is your achievement?
Okay, so because you're only life once,
Mm-hmm. We can enjoy our life nowadays, so can maybe at least we know our passion, right?
Right on.
okay, we are on the same page.
Yeah, yeah. We have the
Uh,
same case in here. Like we have to become more motivated to achieve our goal, right?
yes.
And yeah, we move to the next question. Yeah, we know like our life is suck. Our life is so hard to enjoy. Like so my question is, if you ever feel like embarrassed, you maybe sometimes you feel ashamed, you feel stressed and overwhelmed because you do something too much. So what makes you to yourself, what makes you remind that you only live once, and I have to become more how to say, to become more better, to become more how to say, enthusiast to enjoy our life. So uh, what makes you feel spirit again in your to enjoy your life? Maybe Kaalia want to answer my question. So what makes you remind yourself, so oh, I forget that I just live once, so I have to become more better. So what makes you remind? It's just like are you feel I have to embarrass my parents? Yeah, maybe your parents is the reason. Okay, so what about you?
Okay, so as a human being, sometimes we can feel like tired,
Yeah.
overwhelming, or something. And I think my way, I think to get rid of that is I I would spend my time alone in a while, like, and then
In some place you feel alone.
yes, maybe like 1 day or
Mhm.
2 days,
Oh,
because
is it
yes,
too long or
no,
just 1 and 2 days and alone in one room? Okay,
I like
and
I like to spend
oh,
my time alone,
mm-hmm.
and yeah, it can make my spirit full again. My energy can be booster again,
Like
and
introspection, you know? Yeah.
yes, I can reflect myself
Mhm.
in that time, and yeah, we can also I also sometimes think of my parents, my family,
Mhm.
and I think I should like be a better person in the future so that my family and my parents can be proud of me.
Mhm. Okay, so you feel like when you in a place and just alone, you feel like I have to become more fresh, yeah,
Yes.
become more better. So it means like that's your comfort zone. Yeah.
Yes.
So you just alone there and you think about your family maybe, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, yeah. It's meaningful, right? And now we move to Kazaki. Maybe what makes you feel like I have to become more fresh? I have to become more enthusiastic to enjoy my life. And yeah, uh, maybe what makes you can think that yeah, I can fix it. I can make it. I can face my problem. Yeah.
Okay. Everyone has a threat
Yeah.
in their souls.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
that's right.
So for me, to face the fears, you don't have to make it fully disappear. So you have to take first. You have to take first steps. Start it from the small thing.
Oh, so you make it like step by step.
Yes.
Mhm.
Make it step by step.
Mhm.
Okay. So if could make step by step, eventually the fear will disappear itself.
Yeah, yeah.
And did you just mention that what makes me,
Yeah.
what's motivation me? So
Mhm.
so comes mindset in myself. So I can be failed.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I'm afraid for being nobody.
Oh.
I have to be more than nobody.
Yeah, yeah, that's true. Okay.
I want my mom give me a hug and say I'm so proud of you.
Wow.
That
Yeah, yeah.
what's motivate me
Mhm.
and
Yeah,
give
yeah,
me
yeah.
encourage.
So yeah, we hope that you can get that. Okay. Thank you, Kazaki, and we move to Kaikram. Okay. What motivates you? That is simple question.
What motivates me?
Yeah.
Because sometimes if we do like the same thing repeatedly, we can feel very overwhelmed. And
Yeah, yeah.
You know, like we feel like what we are doing is very tiring.
Mm-hmm.
But maybe it's kind of the opposite for me, just because when I feel that, I need to spend my time with other people. Maybe like
Mhm.
kind of extrovert.
Yeah,
but
extrovert,
not
introvert,
really.
introvert.
Yeah, but so yeah, I usually invite or ask my friends like to
Mhm.
hang out like together for quite some
Yeah, are you
times. And
free?
yeah, are you free? Oh, I'm not. Okay. If they are not free, then usually I just spend my time by my
Mhm.
own. But when
Mhm.
I spend my time by my own, it sometimes it makes me even feel more stressful.
Yeah, yeah.
It happen to
Mhm.
you too?
Mhm.
Yeah. So yeah, maybe because I
I
feel
need
like I'm
friends. I need I need
yeah, I need to
friends.
talk, and
Uh-uh.
I need to kind of put it out into like words
Mhm.
by talking and having conversation with my friends, and that
Mhm.
I'm feeling this way, or even just like having a simple conversation with them, it already makes me feel better.
Mhm.
So but when I don't really have the chance, like maybe spending my time in my own room, then
Mhm.
it's kind of like a good time to do like some self-reflection,
Mhm.
like where did things go wrong, right?
Mhm.
So usually when after like teaching, like when like the teaching doesn't really go well,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
then it kind of is it's kind of good like to have some time to
Mhm.
reflect that where we did like that we think that we could improve more, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, like having better lesson plans, or I don't know. It really depends on what kind of experience that we are facing at the time.
Mhm.
So yeah, but I feel like I need more people like to have more motivation and
Mhm.
inspiration like to do
Yeah.
better.
Me too. Like when we need, yeah. I mean like we need friends to make a conversation to maybe to motivate me as well, and also when we are alone, like Alia said before, maybe they just keep alone in their room. We can reflect ourselves. We can introspect, and maybe I usually make a plan, make a
Yeah.
plan for the future when I alone, so yeah, I mean, like, I have to fix the problem. I have to face this life so we can enjoy it and we didn't have to overwhelmed day by day. Okay, and yeah, my next question is like, yeah, as a youngsters, because one of the speakers Nora. Yeah, as a youngsters, we know, like, we have a very strong and we have a very high feeling of curious. We always want to try everything, yeah, like tipsy tips, something like that. Okay, and yeah, I mean, like, yeah, not for every day, not for every day, just once in a while, maybe. What is your opinion if one time you maybe we maybe do sins, or perhaps that something that we are not supposed to be able to do, maybe, yeah, sins, I mean, like that, like some negative things. So what is your argument about it? What is your opinion when maybe, yeah, maybe we enjoy our life, we do our obligation as a Muslim, but sometimes we want to do perhaps negative things, yeah, maybe instantly, or yeah, what is your opinion about it? Maybe Kak Zaki. Mhm.
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
Okay, my question is like, what if we, as a person, yeah, personally, we do sins, just not for every day you do the sins, perhaps one in a week, we do, maybe we want to try everything, we want to try to do negative things. So what is your opinion about it? Is it the right action, or is it like, yeah, you don't have to do it?
Okay, so as a human, it's normal if we feel that we want to do anything in
Yeah,
our
yeah.
life.
Mhm.
But as you know, human's life is really short.
Yeah, that's the point. Okay.
We can try anything in my life. We can be anything we want. God have a plan better for us.
Yeah. Got the better. Okay. We agree with it. And then?
All you gotta do just try work harder in your life and
Mhm.
make your life as the best one. And don't forget to enjoy this life. We doing what you love, as I mentioned it before in multiple times.
Yeah.
Maybe something just like that. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So you feel like, I feel like you motivate us. So you said before, God's plans better. Yeah, that's true. Okay, we move to Alia. What is your opinion about, yeah, maybe perhaps we do something like bad.
Okay, so in my opinion, sin is still a sin. It's not become right just because you do that one time, two times or more. It's still sins, but as a human being, sometimes we forget.
Yeah.
And people usually call it hilaf.
Yeah, that's true.
And all you gotta do is, I think, pretty simple.
Mm-hmm.
Just apologize to Allah.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think that's it, because yeah,
Mhm.
sometimes we can like make
Yeah, we can do better.
mistake or
Mhm.
something, but in the future you can be a better person, and by that mistakes you can
Mhm.
learn from that and not doing it anymore in the future.
So because it affects in our future, right?
Yes.
Mhm. Yeah.
I think that's it.
Okay. Thank you, Kalia. And we move to Kak Ikram. Maybe it's relatable to you.
Yeah. Yeah, I kind of agree
Mhm.
with all of them. But yeah, like everybody is actually casino.
Yeah.
No one is sane. So I feel like it's also very important to kind of help each other out, like to become like a better human
Mhm.
being, but not
Yeah.
to be judgmental, like to be judging of someone else's sins.
Mhm.
I feel like as a Muslim, it's very important, like to kind of remind them
Mhm.
respectfully, because sometimes I feel like a lot of people, when they want to
Mhm.
try to remind the other fellow human beings, but they don't really do it properly. So it kind of makes other people to even want to make sin even more. Yeah. Because I
It's
feel
true.
like I kind of experienced that growing up. Like
Mhm.
I don't know like why these people kind of judge me for me doing things
Mhm.
that I did, and I feel like I could have done so much better if they kind of reminded me, like
Mhm. Yeah.
respectfully and in a so much
Yeah.
like in a better way. So, but uh, I'm I don't know, like maybe I'm very blessed just because I have a family who also always reminds me to
Yeah.
become
Yeah.
like like a better Muslim, like
We
to
feel like
pray on
thankfully.
time. Yeah, I'm very thankful for that, and I don't feel like being judged. That's something
Mhm.
that I like about my family.
Yeah.
But yeah, I feel like that's something that we can learn from each other.
Mhm.
Like we can see, oh, they make sense, but maybe I also make sense, but
Yeah,
differently,
yeah,
right?
yeah. That's true.
So yeah, so maybe just
Maybe our sins is not in that
uh-huh,
in that way.
yeah,
Maybe in that way we
or
do
even like
sins.
bigger.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
don't
yeah.
know.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
don't know.
we never
Mhm.
know. But
Mhm.
yeah, but I feel like it's also very important, like to kind of remind each
Yeah.
other, like to become a better person,
Yeah, that's
right?
true.
So
We have
yeah.
to respect
Mm-hmm.
anybody.
Yeah, for example, if you make like a mistake, maybe you can tell
Mhm.
them and remind them behind the
Mhm.
scenes, not like
Okay.
in front of
Mhm.
big audience. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Gekram. Yeah, maybe in this ending, yeah, maybe you want to share with us about your conclusion about the topic for this evening.
Okay.
Yeah, just the conclusion. Maybe you want to share some quotes or some message, maybe, or yeah, maybe you can share to all of us like kind of new vocabulary. Yeah, relate about the topic.
Me
Mhm.
first.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So maybe just like the conclusion, just
Uh
because I
huh.
feel like
Uh-huh.
it's so much easier for me.
Yeah.
Uh, what I can conclude, I feel like yeah, you only live once, and you probably live even longer than the rest of us.
Mhm.
But just be reminded that we might die tomorrow. So
Yeah, that's correct.
so just be wise that what you are gonna do like
Mhm.
today might influence what you're gonna experience in the future.
Mhm.
So yeah, just spend your time carefully.
Okay, thank
Yeah.
you, Gekram. Yeah, and yeah, Kazaki, maybe a little bit some quotes or yeah to conclude our topic for this evening.
Okay, I just have something to say.
Mm-hmm.
So, success people is not born.
Wow.
They are work harder to get their goals.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. Yeah.
Maybe that's the
Okay,
only
just
thing
that.
I want to say.
Okay.
I'm out of word
Yeah,
now.
Kalia. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I can conclude that YOLO, it's not just about you take impulsive actions,
Mm-hmm.
but it's about you take a decision that can change your future, that can make yourself to be a better person in the future.
Mm-hmm.
And your younger self, your younger version of yourself does not come twice.
Yeah,
So yeah, it's important to know that. And I saw a quote on TikToks that said that if it scared you, but at the same time you excited about that, try it. So
Yeah.
yeah, you
Just try it.
if you afraid of fail or something, just think that if I win, yeah, it's good for me. But if I
Mhm.
fail, it's a lesson for me.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay, thank you, Kalia. And yeah, we do the right things here. Yeah, we're talking about YOLO, you only live once. And yeah, we can conclude that our life is so short. Yeah, yeah, we already know about the wrong, about the truth, yeah, and lie and everything. Yeah, and then yeah. If there's some potential good things that you can do, so just do it. And if there is a good chance, it's gonna be successful because we never know about our future. So thank you very much, guys, for coming in this discussion tonight. And yeah, so to the smart viewers and also smart listeners at home, keep stay tuned. Every week, we have a new schedule every Wednesday at 7 p.m. And yeah, we can meet together in live streaming on YouTube and also in 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia.